Dr. Abdul Qadir, president of Shaheen Group of Institutions, has served a legal notice to A. Alam Pasha of Bengaluru, seeking 10 crore rupees in damages for alleged defamation. The notice, issued through Advocate P. Usman, claims that A. Alam Pasha has been publishing false, frivolous, and derogatory videos on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram over the last 6 months. These videos allegedly accused Dr. Abdul Qadir of misappropriating scholarship funds meant for minority students, usurping public money, and even called him a thief. Dr. Abdul Qadir, a respected educationist and social activist known for his pioneering educational initiatives, says the allegations have severely harmed his reputation and caused mental distress. The notice demands that A. Alam Pasha remove all defamatory content, issue an unconditional public apology on all platforms, and pay damages. If not, Dr. Abdul Qadir warns that civil and criminal proceedings will follow under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita.